Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Time. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Today is unboxing day. You all know I love unboxing. Okay, I want to unbox one of my Christmas gifts. I have vacuum cleaner, but the one I have, it doesn't work fine anymore because we use it every day. And so I was just thinking of changing my vacuum cleaner. Then I don't know how my husband overheard it, so he got me a vacuum cleaner, part of my Christmas gift. So I want to unbox it with you guys. Okay, let's get started. It's a Bosch vacuum cleaner, guys. You all know Bosch is a very good brand. Wow. And the color is lovely. Oh la 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 la. Look at it. And this is the manual. Yeah, it's in English, Dutch, and Spanish. A lot of languages. Okay? Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow, this is so special. Handle. Oh, we got two of this. I think it's for dry and wet. If you want to clean with water, yeah. I think this one is for the normal belt, and the other one is for you want to clean that with water. Wow, so the whole piece. Let's bring out the main. Oh, wow, and it's a bagless, guys. A bagless vacuum cleaner. You don't need to buy. Wow, I love the color. Wow. I'm used to buying gray and black. This one is wine color and black. This is so lovely. Easy also. Okay. When it's filled, you just put it in the bin. Wow, look at it. This is one of my Christmas gift. Wow, this is so nice. Look at the color. Let's see how we can open the storage. Okay, here. Push. Yeah, you just push. Very easy. Wow, look at this. Very nice. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner. It's a nice gift. Let's put it back. Wow, very easy. Wow, that is it, guys. If it don't make sense to you, give me that thumbs up and leave your comments. If you're just passing by, you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my interesting video. Okay, bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.